Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the crisper cover in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new crisper cover. This crisper cover is located in the fresh food section. It's used as a frame for the bottom glass shelf and as a support for the crisper pans. The main reason to replace the crisper cover is if it's broken and jams the crisper pans. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. Alright, now I'm going to pull out both crisper pans. Next, I'm going to remove the crisper cover, and I'm going to take it to the table so we can replace the glass. Slide it out and remove it. I'm going to place this cover on the table here. We need to remove the glass. It's done very easily. I'm going to bend this slightly so we're going to release these tabs here, and I'm going to pull out the glass. Put it down. This is the old crisper cover next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Okay, so we have this new crisper cover, and we need to install the glass in. We have 2 grooves, one on each side. That's where the glass will go in. Alright, so now we're going to slide the glass into the cover. I'm going to lift the glass and bring it in. And at this point, I'm going to push down on this tab and lift up a little bit of that rear portion of the cover. And we're going to slide the glass in. So this way it will go onto these guides on the side. And I'm going to lift it up like that. And we need to push the glass in so it will clear this clips here beyond the clips, so it's locked in. And now I'm going to install this new crisper pan cover in. Bring it in. And I'm going to slide it on. And I'm going to slide the crisper pan in. I'm going to place it on the rails and then push it in. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.